Okay, so to get you ready for what we're going to do in class, we're going to do rotations by copying triangles onto patty paper today. Patty paper is just basically some thin tracing paper. So what you want to do is start by copying the pre-image and the X and Y axes onto the patty paper. I'll do it in red right now. So when you're doing this in class, you should copy everything I just did. See how I copied the triangle, I copied the letters of the points, and I made like a little plus here so you can see how it goes. So when you're rotating it, what you want to do is you just spin the patty paper, you just turn it, and it'll in turn turn the triangle as well. And the reason you copy down the axes here, which are super important to copy down those axes, is because when you turn it, you want to line them back up again. So if you're going 90 degrees, basically you go a quarter of a turn. Or to put it another way, you make like this vertical one here, you turn it so that it lines up exactly on that one. So you get the idea? If you're going 90 degrees, what you want to do is like this line here will go a quarter turn and go to that line there, and you line it back up again with the little plus symbol. If you go 180, you're going to go half a turn, so 180 would be 90, and then 180. And if you go 270, you have 90, 180, 270. 360 obviously would be back in the same spot. So this diagram right here shows you this is a 90-degree rotation, that's a 180-degree rotation, and that's a 270-degree rotation of the original triangle right there. And you can just use the patty paper image to show you the coordinates. Like for example, C prime right here is at -5, 1. So in doing this, for this example, what you would have is you would have triangle Let's Go Mets, because Let's Go Mets, obviously. And you would copy the triangle, you would copy the L, the G, and the M, and you would make like a little plus in your patty paper like that. So if you rotate it, you would spin it 90 degrees and it would end up here in quadrant 2, right here. So that's where it would end up when you rotate it 90 degrees. If you rotated it 270 degrees, that would be 90, 180, 270. It would be down here in quadrant 4, and it would appear right here in the green. And one thing you can also notice is if you were to rotate this triangle here 180 degrees, you would get this triangle right here.